Happy morning, students. Welcome to Blue Stars Higher Secondary School online classes. Today we are going to see about a small introduction for the Unit 12 Periodic Classification of Elements. This is the concept map of periodic classification of elements. All of you know that the world is formed by there are many substance atoms and elements. All the elements are unique nature and property. So the elements are categorized and arranged in their properties. In the year that is 1800. In the year 1800, 31 elements are discovered. Only 31 elements are discovered. I believe that all of you follow that observation note and class work note. I will tell that what you write in the observation note. Okay. I tell that important points and definitions you write in the observation note. I will give the question with answer. You will write class work note. Do you understand? Okay. இந்த கிளாஸ்ல என்னென்னலாம் அப்சர்வேஷன் நோட்ல ரைட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் சொல்றேன். அந்த டெஃபினிஷன் அதெல்லாம் நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா நீங்க அப்சர்வேஷன் நோட்ல ரைட் பண்ணுங்க. கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட் எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். பிடிஎஃப் ஃபார்ம் ஆர் வேர்ட் டாக்குமெண்ட்ல கொடுப்பேன். அது நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட்ல நீட்டாக காப்பி பண்ணுங்க. இப்போ 1800 இந்த கான்செப்ட் மேப்லாம் இருக்குல்ல, இதெல்லாம் நீங்க நோட்ல காப்பி பண்ணிக்கலாம். இந்த கிளாஸ் ஃபுல்லா இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணிக்குவாங்க, நீங்க அப்சர்வேஷன் நோட்ல ரைட் பண்ணிக்கங்க. பட் யூ டோன்ட் ரைட் பீரியாடிக் டேபிள், அது மட்டும் நீங்க என்ன பண்ண வேணாம், அது ட்ரா பண்ண வேணாம். ஓகேவா? பேலன்ஸ் எல்லாமே நீங்க என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், ரைட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ 1800 in the year only 31 elements were identified and 1865 you know that in the year and which element identified you write in the observation note. Okay, 31 is the elements. In the 1865 there are only 63 elements are identified. 63 elements are identified. Now that is 2020, that is 21st century, 118 elements are discovered. Now 118 elements are discovered. So that elements, that is 118 elements, how to classify and arrange them, who was proposed by the various laws and scientists. So in this unit we are learn about in this topic. So this is the concept map for the periodic classification of elements. These elements are classified into early concept, modern periodic table, metals, non-metals, S block, B block, etc. One by one we will discuss about. Okay, the current way of classifying elements was not achieved in one try. Okay, there were numerous theories that attempt to classify the known elements. Each theory was true for some elements, but failed for the remaining ones. But they became stepping stones for the modern periodic table. So, the first of these steps was laid by Johann Wolfgang Robernier. So, first was laid by the periodic table is Johann Johann Wolfgang Robernier. Robernier. You write in the name. Okay. First, the periodic table laid by the Johann Wolfgang Robernier. She was a German chemist. She was a German chemist. And the second of these steps was laid by John Newlands. Johann Wolfgang Robernier is the first laid by the periodic table. The second one is John Newland. The second one is John Newlands. These are the early concept of periodic tables. You look at the concept map. Early concept Robernier trials, Newlands actives, mental use periodic tables. Okay. The third one is mental use periodic table. The third one is was laid by the periodic table is mental use. The third one is mental use. Mental use periodic tables. These are the early concepts of the periodic table. The last was the modern periodic table. The last one is a modern periodic table. Currently, we use the modern periodic table. This table laid by the Henry Moseley. The modern periodic table laid by the Henry Moseley. The modern periodic table is laid by Henry Moseley. In this modern periodic table, we have to learn about the classification of elements into blocks. There are S, P, D, F block elements. So, what are the advantages of the modern periodic table? And the position of hydrogen and the position of rare gases in the modern periodic table we will learn about in this unit. Next, in this unit, based on the uses of classified into metals, non-metals, meteorites, and alloys. So, next class, we have deeply discussed with these topics what are the early concept of Robernier trials, Newlands actives, mental use periodic table, and modern periodic table. How the position of the hydrogen and the position of the rank class. How to deep blocks are classified in the elements S block, B block, D block, and F block, and what is mean by in metals, non-metals, meteorites, alloys. Next class we will deeply discussed. You should draw in the concept map in your observation note, and what the type in the monitor, you will write your observation note. Okay, இங்கே நான் டைப் பண்ணுவேன்ல, ஸ்க்ரீன்ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு டைப் பண்ற மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்மால் பிளேஸ்ல வரும். ஸோ அதையும் நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், அப்சர்வேஷன் நோட்ல எழுதணும். ஓகேவா, அதெல்லாம் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பாயிண்ட்ஸ்.